let Patrick go in the last night, but I mean we let go. Or he let us, I don't know how to say. Now we try to catch them back, you know. So adjust the sail, try to earn as much we can, as daylight is still there. And yeah, try something on the sail setup and.
And how far away are they now?
In distance?
Yeah.
They leave Porto almost 3 hours before us, so I mean biotherm. In distances for now. A little bit less than 50 miles.
And can we catch up 50 miles before Cartagena? Do you think we can catch up?
Oh, but yes, for sure. Huh? It's never finished until the finish line. Huh?
And do we have a special approach, or is it just go as fast as possible?
But I mean, fast as possible. Take the opportunities that we have ahead in front of us, and yeah, try to do the best with our forecast. Maybe the gate is gonna close at Gibraltar for them, so if it happens, every mile we can gain now can serve us at this time to overtake them.
Have we made any progress or loss in this afternoon since leaving?
No, quite some progress because of we are not faster, but the angle was better, so we saved some miles. So yeah.